The cryptocurrency market moves fast, and in late October 2025, a subtle but important signal appeared for Bitcoin. For several days, Bitcoin's price on Coinbase dipped below the global average, creating a negative Coinbase Premium. This shift followed a period of unusual weakness for Bitcoin, breaking the long-standing Uptober trend and coming on the heels of a sharp flash crash. The negative premium signaled that U.S. buying pressure was fading, a clear sign of changing sentiment among American investors. The Coinbase Premium is a unique metric in the world of cryptocurrency trading. It refers to the difference between Bitcoin's price on Coinbase, one of the largest and most influential US-based crypto exchanges, and the price of Bitcoin on other major global exchanges. This difference can be positive or negative, and it often provides valuable insight into the behavior and sentiment of American investors compared to the rest of the world. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at a higher price on Coinbase than on Binance or other international platforms, this is known as a positive premium. It suggests that there is stronger demand for Bitcoin among US traders, who may be more eager to buy, even at a slightly higher price. A positive premium is often seen during periods of bullish sentiment in the United States, when investors are optimistic about Bitcoin's future and are willing to pay a premium to acquire it quickly. This has historically been the norm, especially during major rallies or when there is significant news affecting the US market. The presence of a positive premium reflects aggressive American buying, and it can sometimes foreshadow further upward price movement if the demand continues to build. On the other hand, a negative premium means that Bitcoin is actually cheaper on Coinbase than on other exchanges. This situation typically signals that there is more selling pressure from US investors, who may be offloading their holdings due to fear, uncertainty, or a shift in market sentiment. Analytics firms track the Coinbase Premium in real time, using it as a window into regional sentiment and as an early warning sign of changing investor behavior. By monitoring this metric, traders and analysts can gain a better understanding of how US market participants are reacting to global events, regulatory changes, or economic news. Even a small but persistent negative premium can be a powerful indicator that the mood among American investors is shifting from bullish to bearish, or that there is growing caution in the market. In late October 2025, for instance, the negative premium persisted for 4 consecutive days. This rare occurrence highlighted a notable and potentially lasting change in US investor behavior, signaling that market participants were becoming more risk-averse and possibly anticipating further declines in Bitcoin's price. Coinbase stands as the primary gateway for American crypto investors, serving as the most popular and trusted exchange in the United States. For many, it's the first place they buy, sell, or hold digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because of this, the price action on Coinbase doesn't just reflect what's happening on the exchange itself. It's a direct window into the mood and sentiment of the broader US crypto market. When traders and investors in the US are feeling optimistic or fearful, it shows up almost instantly in Coinbase's prices. The price movements on Coinbase often set the tone for the entire American market, and by extension, can influence global trading activity. When the US market is bullish, it can create a ripple effect that boosts confidence and demand worldwide. A positive Coinbase Premium, meaning Bitcoin trades at a higher price on Coinbase than on other global exchanges, signals robust demand and strong confidence among US investors. This often acts as a tailwind for global prices, as traders elsewhere take cues from American enthusiasm. On the other hand, when the premium turns negative, as it has recently, it's a warning sign that US appetite for risk is fading. This can be due to economic uncertainty, regulatory concerns, or simply a shift in investor sentiment. A negative premium can drag down Bitcoin's price worldwide, since American demand is such a crucial pillar of the global crypto ecosystem. When US investors pull back, it often triggers caution among traders in other regions as well. The US market's influence is hard to overstate. American investors bring significant capital and liquidity, making their sentiment a key driver of price trends. That's why the Coinbase Premium is so important. It acts as a real-time gauge of market sentiment, based on actual trading activity rather than just opinions or headlines. By watching the premium, investors can get an immediate sense of whether US traders are feeling bullish, bearish, or uncertain. Information that can be more valuable than any analyst's forecast. The recent stretch of negative premium is the longest since August 2025, highlighting a period of sustained caution and risk aversion among American investors. This isn't just a short-term blip. It's a signal that something fundamental may be shifting in the market. Such persistent negativity can lead to increased volatility, as traders react to the changing mood and adjust their positions accordingly. It's a sign that many are bracing for potential downside or waiting for clearer signals before jumping back in. For anyone trading or investing in crypto, keeping an eye on the Coinbase Premium is essential. It's a crucial signal that can help you anticipate shifts in market direction and manage your risk more effectively. Ultimately, the Coinbase Premium offers a direct reflection of changing risk appetite in one of the world's most influential markets. By understanding and monitoring this metric, investors can stay ahead of the curve and make more informed decisions in the fast-moving world of crypto. In the world of cryptocurrency, market sentiment can shift in the blink of an eye. One of the most telling indicators of this shift is the Coinbase Premium. When this premium turns negative, it's widely interpreted as a bearish signal by traders and analysts alike. But what does this really mean for the market, and why does it matter so much? A negative Coinbase Premium means that more people are selling than buying on Coinbase, one of the largest and most influential crypto exchanges in the United States. This isn't just a technical detail. It's a reflection of real fear and uncertainty among American investors. This selling pressure can come from a variety of sources. Sometimes, it's nervous retail traders reacting to headlines or sudden price drops. Other times, it's large institutions choosing to de-risk their portfolios, moving capital out of crypto and into safer assets. Regardless of the source, the effect is the same: downward pressure on prices. The result is that a key market, which once played a major role in driving crypto rallies, is now showing clear signs of weakness. This shift can have ripple effects far beyond Coinbase itself. When selling accelerates, it can trigger a self-fulfilling cycle. As prices fall, more traders panic and sell, which pushes prices down even further. This domino effect can quickly turn a minor dip into a major downturn. Global investors are always watching the US market for cues. When they see hesitation or weakness from American traders, they often become more cautious themselves. This can lead to a broader pullback in crypto markets worldwide, as international investors follow the US lead. The recent 4-day negative streak in Bitcoin's price isn't just a random blip on the radar. It's a clear sign that bearish sentiment is taking hold and that sellers are in control. This persistent downward trend is being reinforced by technical indicators and market data, all pointing to a lack of confidence and a growing appetite for risk aversion. When the US market steps back, the impact is felt globally. American traders and investors have a huge influence on crypto prices, and their retreat can erode confidence around the world. As global confidence fades, it becomes even harder for the market to recover. Investors everywhere start to question whether now is the right time to buy, or if more pain is ahead. The negative Coinbase Premium is more than just a number. It's a red flag waving in front of the entire crypto community, warning that caution is needed. American investors, once known for their risk-taking and optimism, are now showing signs of pulling back. Their appetite for risk is fading, and that's a signal the rest of the world can't ignore. In summary, a negative Coinbase Premium is a clear bearish signal for the entire market. It's a warning that the tide has turned, and that caution should be the watchword for anyone trading crypto right now. The negative Coinbase Premium followed a dramatic flash crash in early October 2025. Bitcoin's price plunged in minutes, shaking investor confidence and wiping out leveraged positions. Although there was a partial bounce, the recovery stalled, momentum was lost. The flash crash left investors cautious, and the market struggled to regain its footing. This hesitation set the stage for the negative premium, as US buyers stayed on the sidelines. Without renewed demand, selling pressure pushed Coinbase's price below the global average. The flash crash was a catalyst, breaking bullish momentum and fueling uncertainty. In this environment, even a small shift in sentiment was enough to tip the balance. October 2025 broke Bitcoin's 7-year October winning streak, ending with a 5% loss. This shattered a reliable seasonal trend and dealt a psychological blow to investors. The expected rally never materialized, and some who bet on October became sellers instead. The lack of buying, combined with new selling, weakened US demand and turned the Coinbase Premium negative. The end of October forced traders to reassess their assumptions and fueled caution. When a trusted pattern fails, confidence erodes quickly. The negative premium captured this shift perfectly. US investors were no longer leading the charge. It was a clear sign that optimism had given way to disappointment. US-listed Bitcoin ETFs are another key sentiment gauge. When investors buy ETF shares, fund managers buy Bitcoin, creating buying pressure. But in late October, these ETFs saw significant outflows. Investors were selling, forcing funds to offload Bitcoin. This outflow was a powerful bearish signal, showing that even mainstream investors were reducing exposure. The ETF outflows and negative Coinbase Premium both pointed to weakening US demand. When both indicators flash red, it's a strong sign that sentiment has turned. Together, they confirmed a decisive shift in American investor behavior. The flash crash, failed October rally, ETF outflows, and negative Coinbase Premium all told the same story. US investors, both institutional and retail, were stepping back, removing a major source of global demand. ETF outflows showed traditional investors were selling, while the negative premium revealed direct selling on exchanges. With both groups pulling back, Bitcoin faced strong headwinds. The negative premium wasn't the cause, but a symptom of deeper risk aversion. This confluence of bearish signals explained Bitcoin's price struggles. It was a unified message. American sentiment had soured. The negative Coinbase Premium ETF outflows and broken October have big implications. They show how crucial US sentiment is. When it turns, global prices feel the impact. Metrics like the Coinbase Premium and ETF flows offer early warnings, often before price charts reflect the shift. A sustained negative premium could mean more downside or a long consolidation. The key question: is this a temporary dip or a longer-term trend? If US demand returns, the premium will flip positive, a bullish sign. For investors, the lesson is clear. Watch the data, not just the narrative. In a maturing market, tracking sentiment shifts, especially from the US, is essential for navigating Bitcoin's next chapter.